Hi everyone, this is Todd from ThinkTrends. Today I want to show you how you're able to integrate AI into your dashboards through the ThinkTrends dashboard chat. Here we have a dashboard on FDA reported adverse events. On this dashboard we have various visualizations about reported adverse events in the time frame provided. We can open up the dashboard chat by clicking this button here. And this will bring up an AI chatbot that has context on said visualizations, allowing you to get AI insights and assistance in analyzing your data. As an example, let's take this web of adverse events and how they relate to drug products. It's a great way to explore relations between events and drugs, but maybe we want specific insights based on this data, like what drug has the highest amount of a type of event in a region. We can create a new conversation in our chat and enable this graph as a source. Then I can, for example, ask which drug has the most lactic acidosis adverse reactions in France. And it's able to provide me with an answer based on the data in the web. We can also ask about data from multiple graphs. In this chat, I've asked about the safety signals provided by the FDA, which you can see in this table, against the top 150 drugs with events, which you can see in this table, to see if there's any overlap. And we can see in the chat it provided a few drugs with overlap, as well as a bar graph showing the total event counts for each. You can even include uploaded files in your analysis. For example, I've attached this mock data from a clinical trial for a product by going to the Files tab in the settings. This mock product has an active ingredient of acetaminophen, and I want to compare it against similar products. So I filtered the dashboard specifically to products with an active ingredient of acetaminophen as well. Now that I've filtered, I can sync the adverse reactions reported to use the latest data. Now we can compare this filtered data with our clinical trial data and ask which adverse reactions are outliers for this clinical trial data. And you can see it provides those unmentioned adverse reactions. This isn't just limited to dashboards even. We can use this feature on individual visualizations or queries. Here we can see a separate table created based on the same FDA adverse event data within an individual visualization. This table focuses on patient data for medications with an active ingredient of acetaminophen. We can open up the same widget and enable our current visualization as a source. Then, for example, we could ask a question about the age demographic for a specific drug with the highest death rate. And it's able to provide this along with a graph showing the rates per age group. We can even ask it to provide a more in-depth graph about the demographics based on this data. We can also use this within saved searches on our data. Here I've queried for the safety signals from the FDA published in the past year. Let me pull up the chatbot and include this data as a source. Then let me ask the chatbot to find any actions that are not still evaluating the need for regulatory action. And we can see it's able to actually find this signal here. Overall, I hope you can see having AI insights directly integrated with your data is an extremely powerful tool. Thank you for your time.